Hey everyone, Tifa here, Travel with Tifa. Here to talk about our trip down to Cancun for a quick getaway. The easiest part was booking the flights, the hardest part was getting out. The resort we chose is an adults-only 5-star luxury resort at the beautiful Dorado Casitas Royale, which is connected to the Dorado Royale and the Generations Resort. The Dorado Royale has 478 suites, 6 pools, 9 bars, and they share 2 spas. The Dorado Casitas has 205 suites, 14 pools. They share 15 restaurants, and they have 17 bars and the connecting spa. Generations has 162 suites, 2 swimming pools, 5 restaurants, 3 bars, and 1 spa. And yes, you do get to use all the facilities at the sister resorts, which makes this an even better resort choice for a great romantic getaway, for a honeymoon, for a girls getaway, or an all-around vacation. This is the Dorado Royale side with junior suites on both sides. Right behind this is Tucani's, where we went for lunch for tacos, because it's always taco time, and until our room was ready.
Thanks for coming. Have a good day.
You too. It's time for you to check in. They do have a golf cart take you down to your suite, and they kind of give you a tour on the way. I'll leave the map here. I know it's kind of hard to see on a small screen, but the Dorado Royale side is on the left, the Casitas are in the middle, and then Generations is on the far right side. Next to Generations will soon be a new Nickelodeon resort. Our suite was a Casita Suite, and it was upstairs, 2609. They are a beautiful, romantic suite with a no worries vibe. beautiful bathroom with the beautiful outdoor shower. Unfortunately, our shower just kind of shot straight at the door and flooded the hallway, so only took a shower in there once, but it's beautiful. And inside is a big beautiful shower with a rainforest shower head. The jacuzzi tub comes with bath salts and bubble bath. This is our amazing view from our balcony. This resort was hit hard by hurricanes last year, and they are still repairing and renovating some areas. So this part did have some of the privacy screens that were down, and about day 4 when we came back, the privacy screens were actually back on the balcony. Now these can be untied and you can tie them back so you can get a direct view. The only downside here is at the beach you cannot walk in all areas. It is very rocky, and these concrete barriers have been put out here to help decrease the erosion, which with the hurricanes is terrible every year. These should sink and become a natural reef, and there is a saltwater pool. You will have a personal concierge in the casitas, so if you need anything at all, you just stop by and they will help you out. This was our quick walk to the beach in the morning. Each casita section has its own pool, its own swim-up bar, and most have a hot tub in this section. This is the beautiful path that connects all 3 resorts. They do have a 5K here on Fridays, if that's something you'd like to do. But this was the spot we chose to be in. Being from Ohio, being in the sun, being in the sand, listening to the ocean, and laying on a gorgeous Bali bed, with beach bar service by the way, was just what we needed. To me, if there's a critter to be found, I will definitely find that critter. So don't forget to feed your local iguana some hibiscus. This cute little pair of iguanas lived right underneath the hot tub. shuttle stops throughout the resorts, and if the shuttles are going by, they will always stop and ask you if you need a ride. Just a note about one thing they don't tell you, and that's where the beach towels are. They're right here in the black boxes behind the bars in every casita section, and that's our great bartender, Ruben. Right now, all Karisma resorts have on-site COVID testing done by Costa Med, so you do have to take your test within 72 hours of your departure. So that's all for now. This is part 1 of 2. Part 2 will be more of the resort area itself. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.